Hi, my name is Sonal and today we are going to talk about growing your business online. So now you know that if you want to grow your business online, the first step is to make a website. Now, after making a website, do you simply expect getting something out of it, earning some money out of it? Well, the probability of that is low because if you have a store in a local market, you need people coming to your store and buying things from it. Just like that, you also need people coming to your website and checking out your stuff on the website. Only then you can expect something out of it. So after building a professional website, the next step you need to take is do digital media marketing. Now, digital media marketing is marketing on the internet, that is the World Wide Web. So now what happens over here is there are different types of digital media marketing services and everything that you can take. One of them is social media marketing, the other is search engine optimization, then there's Google Ads. So these are the major parts of digital media marketing that you can look for when you want to grow your business on the internet. Now the next thing is looking for what exactly is the correct option for you. Well, I would say all three of them are absolutely correct for you if you get it done properly. If you do social media marketing, you might open doors for customers to come and see what you want to sell them or what you want to communicate through your social media channels like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Depending on the type of business, you can choose your platforms. Say you are a B2C company, like you're selling clothes. Facebook and Instagram are the best platforms for you to sell your clothes. But if you are a corporate company, say you are a lead generation business, the best for you would be LinkedIn. Just like that, there's search engine optimization. Now, search engine optimization, SEO, is something that helps you get your business on the top page when people are searching for related terms or questions or queries. Now, what happens exactly on Google is I go on the internet and search for something. Say I search for buying clothes online. Now what happens over here is I get Amazon.com, I get Myntra.com and several other websites. Now how do these websites come on the top? It is because of SEO. When Google gets to know that this particular website is selling something that is related to what the customer is looking for, what the searcher is looking for, that's when Google shows that particular website and list of other websites which are similar to the search results. So that is how SEO functions. Now what we do over here is there are a lot of things that happen on the website and off the website. So there is on-page optimization and off-page optimization. We can go into the details in the another video that I've linked in the description so you can check more about search engine optimization. Let us now move on to the last topic, Google Ads. Now I'll explain to you how exactly Google Ads work. Google Ads work depending on the search terms, that is the keywords that you use. Now these keywords are phrases or words or questions that people search on Google. Now suppose you make an ad using these keywords and somebody searches for these keywords and your ad pops up. When the person clicks on this ad, you spend an amount depending on the value of the keyword. Now, what we do as ad experts is we optimize your ads in a way that you spend the least amount of money on these keywords and you get the best results out of it. So now if you have any queries, doubts, or you want to know about these digital marketing services in detail and what exactly your business needs to make or grow traffic on your website, then you can contact us anytime. Thank you.